Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about a Winkling coin. What's the price change goes in the Winkling coin, what's the current purchase occur in the Winkling coin, and this video I will show you friends. First of all, the new update is that the name of the Wink coin are changed into Winkling, as you can see here friends. Now in this video we are talking about the next move and why the Wink coin falls occur. As you know, if you're a holder of Wink coins, so you know about the fall of Wink coin friends. So for more details, before starting the more details about Winkling coin, kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel and stay connected with us friends. Now friends, let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the current price of the Winkling coin, as about 0.001266 USD dollar is the current price of Winkling coin. If we talk about the change occur in the Winkling coin, so as you can see here, only and only negative change occur in the Winkling from the previous last 1 week friends. For more details, we have to look the last 1 week chart analysis. As you can see here, only and only last 7 days they again at this time take a jump, so that is why the change become 1% positive friends. But if we look the previous period of the Winkling coin, so absolutely very bad change occur in the Winkling coin in the previous hour friends. As you can see, only and only falls occur in the Winkling coin friends. So now if we talk about the price of the Winkling coin, the highest price is about 0.001515 USD dollar is the highest price in the previous last 1 week period friends. If we look the current price, so as you can see here as a 15 and here is 13.05 and here is 15 USD dollar. So you know now the change is on the front of your eyes friends. Approximately a 3% change occur in the price of Winkling coin only in the last 1 week friends. So the price of the Winkling coin falls down, but I know Wink as a king and the future of the Winkling coin are very bright friends. So don't do this mistake at this time. If you are a holder of Winkling coin, so please hold it approximately with the year with the last of this year 2021, hold your coin friends. After 2022, the journey, the jumping, the pumping season of the Winkling coin starts now friends. So be ready and wait for the big jump, the big pump of the Winkling coin friends. So hope you like this video, and if you want this kind of more news and updates about any cryptocurrencies, and if you have any type of questions, so please comment me. I will try to answer you, and stay connected with us. Subscribe now ABS Tech channel.